looking at test 1, lesson 3, worksheet 1 on your Pythagorean theorem that we did today. Okay, for the first few, you're just leaving your answer again in simplest radical form. Okay, so I'm just going to set up a few of these for you. I gave you some time in class to work on these, so a lot of these might just be checking for y'all. Okay, so we're going to start with hypotenuse squared equals leg squared plus leg squared. Okay, and then when you rearrange, you're going to subtract your 49, which is going to give you 51 is equal to x squared. And then you take the square root of both sides, and x will equal the square root of 51. Okay, so that's given our hypotenuse. You're looking for the missing leg. Okay, over here on number 3, you're given both legs. Okay, so then it's just straight math. 64 plus 196. It's going to be the square root of 260. Okay, it does want that in simplest radical form. And again, you can do that in the calculator. You would go to y equals, and you would type in 260 divided by x squared, and you look at your table. And that's going to give us 2 radical 65 for number 3. Okay, so I've done missing leg. I've done missing hypotenuse. All right, for 7, 8, and 9, they just want you to do right, acute, and obtuse. Okay, so remember we always start with our hypotenuse, which is our biggest side, squared, and then leg squared plus leg squared. Okay, so we're going to do 16 squared, which is 256, and then we're going to add together 14 squared and 11 squared, which is going to give you 317. We're going to compare those two. Okay, so 256 is less than 317, so remember that makes that acute. Okay, let's jump over here to number 9. I'm going to start with 51 squared, my box, 24 squared plus 45 squared. So that's going to give me 2601 and 2601. Those values are in fact equal, so this makes this triangle right. Okay, so so far you've got 5 problems to do on that. Again, you should have done some of this in class today. All right, now this time we're going to actually find the approximate answer, and we're going to round to the nearest whole number. Okay. So we're going to start with, we're missing the hypotenuse this time. So x squared equals 24 squared plus 39 squared. Okay, so x squared is going to equal 2097. Okay, so you're going to use your actual calculator to find the square root of 2097. All right, so square root of 2097 is going to give me 45.79 is roughly what it gives me. If we're rounding to the nearest whole, we're going to look at the 7, and that 7 is going to make that 5 become a 46 inches. Okay, that's missing your hypotenuse, so let's jump over here to number 13. This time we have our hypotenuse. So 28 squared is going to give me 784. So subtract 784 and 196. All right, and when you take the square root of 588 this time, that's going to give me 24.2487. So 24.2, I'm going to look at the 2, which leaves that as 24 meters. All right, and then the last set, again, you're just classifying there, acute, right, or obtuse. Let's jump in on Let's go with 16. So we'll go 110 squared and 20 squared plus 100 squared. Okay, so this time 12,100 is going to be greater than 10,400, so that makes number 16 obtuse. Can't spell. Okay, don't forget that Monday you do have your radical quiz on simplifying radicals, adding and subtracting radicals. Okay, so make sure you look over that this weekend.